In this video, I am going to show you how to create this kind of map animation easily. So to do that, we have to search here in our search bar malt.dev. Press enter. Then you will get the interface like this. From there, you have to select your create map animation. Then you have to sign in with your Google account. Then you have to select your create video. And you'll be able to see your own country here by default. Now all you need to do, select the other countries. So to do that, you will have two options. First of all, if you click here, then it will show you some default country location here. But if you want, you can write down your specific country's name. And in that way, you will be able to add maximum 10 places name here. Let's say I am just selecting from the default country's location. Okay, well, here you can see I have selected this country's list. Then the next thing you need to do, just simply click here, export. Now click select preview. Now you have to wait for a few seconds as it will create your map animation here. Okay, now here you can see my map animation is created. If we click here this play button, then I can see the preview. Look at how it is working. Okay, so in that way you can create the map animation easily. So now just simply click here this cross icon and you have to select your export. Now you can see the video rendering is done. Now all you have to do, just need to simply log in your Gmail account that you used to sign in here. Okay, here you can see I have received one mail from malt.dev. Just need to simply click here and here you can see the download option is visible. I just need to simply click over download and again click here download MP4. And now this video will be downloaded to your desktop.